Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be showing you how you can install Ubuntu on your machine. This is part 1 of the series, okay? So in this episode we are going to be showing you how to create a bootable USB drive, okay? So first you need a USB key and any machine. Today I'm going to be using an Ubuntu machine as usual, and then let's get started. So first you would need to go to this website. I'll have the link in the description, and then you have all the versions that was with Ubuntu so far. Okay, you can download any of it. So just for example, if you go to one of them, it will show you what it looks like. So this is the graphics of it. You keep going back, this is a graphic of 1804, then you can go back and see 1504, then you can go even more back and see 1304. So what I'm going to be installing is 1310. Okay, but you can install anything, it's the same process. So what you need to do is choose your desirable one. Okay, let's just go to the 21.4 and I'll show you. So here it is. If you're happy with what the graphics is, like the sidebar, the graphics, you can test run it while installing it in another episode, but for now just type Ubuntu 21, download Ubuntu 21.04. okay, this one here, and you can choose AMD server or desktop. Okay, and then this is going to be showing you what's in it and all different stuff. You can also change the version in this itself, so you can either want to do 10, you can show this one, you can do 20.04, 20.04, focal Forza, yes. So after you downloaded it, it will come like this. This is the one I'm gonna download. Okay, so what you need to do is find your this one. Okay, so what you want to do is choose your OS version and also your disk. This is going to be the hard disk. Mine is a SanDisk with roughly 28 GB, and you need to choose where your ISO is located and just click make startup disk. And I sure you want to write the disk image to device. All existing data will be lost. You can click yes. If there is important data, you need to first make sure to back it up to your laptop or to another external source, and click yes. Then you need to do your password. Okay, then the process will start. Okay, now it's complete. So just click quit, and then your USB should be properly able to boot. Okay, in the next video we are going to be showing you how you can boot from the USB stick onto your machine. It doesn't matter what machine you use, whether it's Ubuntu, Linux, because it won't matter, because we're going to be playing with the BIOS at that time. And you would install, it will only matter what's your hardware, whether it's like a Dell machine, but the differences are not too bad. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment what we should do next. See you in the next video.